Hello and welcome back to the Workforce Workshop channel. I'm your host, Kiras Kelly, and today we're going to be exploring one of the most powerful platforms for recruiting in 2025, LinkedIn. If you're in recruitment, HR, or any business looking to hire top talent, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the top LinkedIn recruiting trends that you just can't ignore in 2025. Let's get started. The growing importance of LinkedIn in 2025? Before we dive into the trends, let's take a quick look at why LinkedIn continues to dominate the recruiting world in 2025. With over 900 million members globally and millions of job listings, LinkedIn is the go-to platform for professionals. It's not just a place to post a resume anymore, it's where hiring managers and recruiters can build relationships, engage with talent, and uncover candidates beyond their resumes. LinkedIn's data-driven approach and vast network make it one of the most effective platforms to identify and connect with candidates. But as the platform evolves, so too do the ways recruiters utilize it. So, what are the key LinkedIn recruiting trends for 2025? Well, let's take a look at the first trend that's making waves: video profiles and job posting. Video has become one of the most effective ways to stand out, and LinkedIn is leaning into this trend. In 2025, video profiles are expected to become even more mainstream. Instead of just having a static photo and a written summary, candidates are now able to upload short videos introducing themselves, showcasing their personalities, skills, and career highlights. For recruiters, this is an excellent way to see candidates in action, beyond just their written resumes. And for job posts, LinkedIn has introduced video job descriptions where companies can upload videos showcasing their culture, work environment, and even meet the team. These video job postings give candidates a more authentic and engaging look at what working at your company is like. This helps humanize your job openings and makes them stand out in a sea of text-based ads. Candidates today want to feel like they're connecting with the people they'll work with. These video features allow recruiters to build stronger connections with potential hires. It's one of the easiest ways to differentiate your company in a competitive job market. LinkedIn's AI-powered recruiting tools. Another major trend in 2025 is LinkedIn's AI-powered recruiting tools. As AI continues to transform the recruitment process, LinkedIn has developed advanced AI features that can assist recruiters in sourcing the right candidates more effectively. LinkedIn's AI technology is now more sophisticated than ever before. It can analyze a candidate's skills, experience, and activity to predict the best fits for your open roles. With LinkedIn's recruiter tool, AI can automatically suggest candidates who may not have directly applied but have the right qualifications. It even goes a step further by identifying passive candidates who might be open to job offers but aren't actively seeking. This shift means recruiters no longer have to spend hours sifting through profiles. AI will do the heavy lifting by highlighting candidates who match your requirements, streamlining the hiring process, and ensuring no potential talent slips through the cracks. With AI taking care of much of the initial filtering, recruiters can focus on building relationships and engaging with the best candidates. Diversity and inclusion at the forefront? In 2025, diversity and inclusion are more than just buzzwords. They are central to how recruiters approach hiring. LinkedIn has made it easier than ever to promote diversity through its tools and features. And in 2025, this trend will continue to gain momentum. From diversity insights to inclusive job descriptions, LinkedIn has implemented features that allow recruiters to track diversity efforts. Employers are increasingly expected to show measurable progress when it comes to creating diverse and inclusive teams. It's no longer just about meeting quotas, it's about creating a culture of belonging. In fact, more and more companies are turning to LinkedIn's diversity tools to ensure that their hiring practices are inclusive and equitable. In 2025, companies that prioritize diversity in their recruitment efforts will have a significant advantage in attracting top talent. Employee advocacy programs. Moving on, another trend that's growing in importance is employee advocacy programs. LinkedIn is not just a place for recruiters. It's also a platform where employees can be champions for your company's brand and culture. Employee advocacy programs involve encouraging employees to share company news, job openings, and personal experiences on LinkedIn. These programs help humanize your brand and give potential candidates a behind-the-scenes look at what it's like to work at your company. Not only does this build credibility, but it also helps you reach a wider audience. After all, candidates are more likely to trust a company's culture when it's endorsed by current employees. By 2025, leveraging employee advocacy will be essential for organizations looking to stand out and attract top talent. The rise of remote and hybrid work opportunities. We can't talk about LinkedIn recruiting trends without mentioning the rise of remote and hybrid work opportunities. In 2025, this trend will continue to dominate job postings on LinkedIn, with companies emphasizing flexibility in their hiring practices. LinkedIn has already introduced various features that allow companies to highlight remote and hybrid roles. In 2025, remote work will continue to be one of the top priorities for candidates. Job seekers are now actively searching for companies that offer flexible work arrangements, whether that's fully remote or a hybrid model. By offering flexible work options, you can broaden your talent pool, as you're no longer limited by geographical constraints. If your company isn't offering remote work, it's time to seriously consider it if you want to attract top talent in 2025. Hyper-personalized recruiting. Finally, let's talk about hyper-personalized recruiting. LinkedIn is evolving to give recruiters the tools they need to engage candidates in a more personalized way. In 2025, generic outreach won't cut it anymore. With features like in-mail and customized messaging, recruiters can craft personalized outreach to candidates based on their skills, interests, and experiences. This personal touch helps build rapport with candidates and improves the chances of a response. Candidates today expect a tailored experience, and if you want to succeed in recruitment, you'll need to embrace personalization. From the initial message to the job offer, every interaction should feel relevant to the candidate's career goals and aspirations. So there you have it, LinkedIn recruiting trends you can't ignore in 2025. From video profiles to AI-driven tools and diversity initiatives, LinkedIn is continuously evolving to help recruiters stay ahead of the curve. If you want to attract top talent and maintain a competitive edge, it's time to leverage these trends in your recruitment strategy. Thank you for watching today's video on Workforce Workshop. If you found this content valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your network. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts on these trends, what's worked for you on LinkedIn, and what trends are you most excited about in 2025. Drop your comments below, and let's keep the conversation going.